How does a market seller know which fruits sell most? How do hospitals track patient visits? They collect and organize data. Data means information we gather. We collect it through surveys, counting, or observation. Then we organize it to see patterns clearly. There are 4 main ways to collect data. Observation means watching and recording. Questionnaires are written forms. Interviews are spoken questions. Experiments are tests we run. Raw data looks messy. We use tally marks to count how often each value appears. Every 5th tally crosses the previous 4, like this. Example 1. 15 students chose their favorite fruit. Let's organize this data into a frequency table. First, list each fruit once. Then use tally marks for each mention. Count the tallies to get frequency. Mango, 7. Orange, 5. Banana, 3. Example 2. 12 students scored between 5 and 8 marks. Let's make a frequency table for these scores. List scores in order. Mark tallies carefully. Score 5 appears 4 times. 6 and 7 each appear 3 times. 8 appears twice. Total, 12 students. Common mistake. Students forget to count tallies correctly. Always check. Total frequency must equal total number of data values. Recount if numbers don't match. Remember, tally before total. First collect your data. Use tally marks to count. Then write frequencies. Always check your total matches the data count. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more questions and master statistics.